work, work it to me, I be work, 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 work it to me, do me work, 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 work. So me put in work, 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 work. When you walk out,
what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Ebony Duchess. So thank you for joining me today. We are going to do a flat twist tutorial today. Something new. I know it's been a while since I've done my own hair on this channel, but today is the day. So we are gonna do a flat twist tutorial, I guess, or style or whatever on this hair. I've actually been wearing flat twist for probably a good 2 weeks now. I straightened my hair about 2 weeks ago, and I've been wearing the flat twist to bed. And if you take a look, you can see that the, I guess they would be called waves. The waves are still there. They still look pretty good. I took my hair down this morning at around 5 a.m. and it is now almost 8 p.m. and the waves are still there. I mean, I've already brushed my hair out, basically detangled it, and the waves are still a-popping. You'd be shocked to know that I cannot French braid. I have no idea how to French braid. I know I'm not the only one out there. I'm a little embarrassed to say it, but I'm saying it. So if you can't French braid, you can flat twist. It's a whole lot easier than a French braid and quicker. Let's get started with the video. So now that my hair is in 2 sections and completely detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil actually in my hair. This is avocado oil. I absolutely love avocado oil. I think it was made for me, honestly. My hair just drinks it up. It's amazing. Definitely good to use on your ends as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil in my hair before we get started on the flat twist. Get those ends. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush the oil through. Okay, now my hair is fully detangled and oiled. As you can see, the shine is looking pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the flat twist. No matter whether your hair is straightened or if your hair is curly, you can flat twist your hair. And I honestly do believe that it is much easier than a French braid. Start out by taking a small piece of hair from the front and pull it back over the other hair. So now you have your loose hair here. Take your pointer finger and go up in between. You want to try to separate the same amount of hair that you already have in your other hand and pull to the back of your hair. So we're going to take our finger and go up. So now we're splitting this piece from the rest of the hair over here, if that makes any sense. This is going to be our next piece that we're going to have and pull to the back of the hair. Okay, so let's try that again. So we're going to take that small little piece in the front, separate it from the rest of the hair, and pull it backward, okay? Take your finger and go upward. Now you're gonna take your pointer finger and grab the rest of the hair back there just to keep it separated from what you've already separated here. So we're gonna take that piece from there and pull it back again. Now you got your other hair separated there. All right, so let's get started. Bye.